Hi, this is Kathy from the White Pigeon Library. We've got some new books. We've got a book by Bernie Sanders called It's Okay to Be Angry About Capitalism. And Bernie Sanders is the longest tenured independent member of Congress. Not Democrat, not Republican, probably leaning more towards Democrat. But he's, as we know, upset about capitalism and the fact that very few billionaires control more than half of the money, and would like to see a system that is a little more evenly distributed and meets people's basic needs. That's what this book is about. He claims that corporate greed has, tilted the system to the point where people's basic needs aren't being met, and that there is a possibility that to change the system and you could actually have things be a little more fair. So this might be pretty good nonfiction. We've got Heather Graham, The Shadow of Death, where two hikers go missing in a cave system outside of Denver, Colorado, and the FBI agent thinks that there's some foul play involved, and they explore the caves and find lots of bodies with human bite marks on them. And then there are cults and human sacrifices, and basically just makes it as horrible as possible. And I guess that's why people read it. I don't know why. We've got The Wager by David Grann, nonfiction. It's a story in the 1700s about a ship that left England chasing a Spanish treasure ship, and then was gone for 2 years and eventually limped into the coast of Brazil. And these were survivors from that ship, and they were greeted as heroes. But then 6 months later, another group came in and said that the first group had mutinied and murdered other shipmates, and then there was a court-martial trying to figure out who was telling the truth. It sounds fascinating. This guy's written a lot of nonfiction books that are pretty good. Tale of Shipwreck, Mutiny, and Murder. Sounds good. We've got a children's book, Odd Dog, which is kind of cute. It's by Claudia Bolt, and it's about dogs who are neighbors. One dog likes apples. The other dog is normal and likes bones, and the first one's very concerned that the apple tree's going to drop the apples in his neighbor's yard, and his neighbor's going to steal them from him. And then when the apples do fall, the dog wants to share. So it's about sharing. It's nicely illustrated. It's a nice book. That's what we've got this week. We'll have more next. Thank you.